Well, things are looking a little better this morning. I did a scan of the shortwave band using this new TR629 from Rectivus, and it's about 6 o'clock in the morning here in Clearwater, Florida. I received, I think, 13, we can check right here. Yeah, 13 signals. About half of which were just noise. And matter of fact, I'll turn the volume up. Something there. 15.13. There's WWV at 15. Coming in pretty good. The solar flux index is 184. Great. The A index is a 10, still too high, meaning noise, and the K index is 2.3, which is great. See what else we got. Oh, that's not what I wanted to do. Oh, I hit the wrong button. Well, maybe I won't. Okay. There we go. Noise. Noise, 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 WWV 10. You can hear it's there pretty good, but that noise is still kind of high.
Los servicios que deben prestar en una economía centralizada como la del país.
That's loud and clear, 9.8.
Básicamente el Estado lo controla todo.
That may be Radio Martini. I don't have my cheat sheet. Same thing, 6.03. Nothing there. Yeah, something there. Still a lot of noise.
To the picture and be the person who is the biggest.
I think that's out of Tennessee. That's very close by. Nothing there. Okay, it's improved, but it's still not great. I'm in my green room where I grow my plants, and it's on the second story, and I've got my little 10-foot wire antenna connected to the telescopic antenna. That's my setup. And I also did a scan, let me move this out of the way, at the same time using the little Reticus V115 and just using its very short, like maybe 12-inch antenna. And let's see if we got it. Let's turn this down, see what we got. Okay, there's noise. Noise. .025. Something there, 5.85. Lots of noise. There's that strong station. Sorry for the glare. That's it. So it didn't get WWV, where this one got WWV on 5, 10, and 15 megahertz with a lot of noise. So the noise is still plaguing us. With that solar flux index at 185, that's great. But that noise at 10, that's a killer. So hang in there. Shortwave reception will improve, I promise. Bye-bye. Oh, have a great day.